Well, the fast-moving Nixon Fire is burning into a federal preserve separating Riverside and San Diego counties. The fire started Monday south of Highway 371 in the Aguanga area, south and east of Temecula. So right now, there is no containment. Crews say the fire has destroyed one home and damaged 4 other structures. Mandatory evacuations are still in place for several parts of Aguanga. Wow, you are seeing an up-close view of a firefighter battling the park fire burning in Chico, just north of Sacramento. It is now the state's 5th largest wildfire. Crews are slowly containing this blaze, but it's still growing in size. That fire is nearly 400,000 acres. That's bigger than the city of LA and Long Beach combined. It is only 18% contained this morning. CAL FIRE says the park fire has destroyed more than 100 structures and is threatening 4,200 more.